This game stinks. Okay, scratch it. New plan. Grass is too tall around the pond. I'm gonna make a quick little walk down to Uncle Ronnie's pond. See if I can do better than the other day. The other day was not bad, but it had just rained the night before, so the water was kind of clear. So we're gonna kind of trot down there before it gets too dark. You know, it's like half past skin and all. So we may have like 30 minutes left. So my fat butt's gonna try to walk down there on a full stomach. Maybe get some footage out. So let's get it. Oh my God, y'all. I just decided to throw right there above that grass. I'm gonna fish a little fast, you know, I'm kind of in a hurry now. Okay, right back where he was. I saw like a ripple there. I'm like, well, I got a little clear opening right here. Let me just chunk it in there real quick. And I was actually starting to walk away, and bam! Let's do it one more time with the camera rolling. He wanted every bit of it too. I ain't got time to play. Let's get it, boy. Another thing I don't like is getting ran up by big dogs. Like I'm coming into my uncle's yard, cuz. Leave me be, bro. Please. Please. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this camera rolling. Keep playing with me, bro. I don't like big dogs that bark. Like, I like them when they're friendly, but like, not knowing, not having a clue how they really are. I don't like it. Keep on, bro. Keep playing with me. Keep this camera rolling in case they bite me. We're going. Oh, y'all saw that. Oh, there he is. Take it, take it, take it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, this water's warm. Come on, man, get out of here. You want it? It's a fishy. Me, not foe. Me, friend. Oh, come on, man. All right, you got it. You got it. All I did was turn. I didn't even like swing it. Maybe they just scared. All bark, no bite, but I ain't trusting. Good Lord. No, sir. Jay Sean ain't trusting me. Nothing. I can hear the grass moving. I hear you back here, bro. There he is. They're playing with me, dog. Go on. Oh, there's a fish right there. I didn't even know. Might be. Y'all cool if y'all just gonna sit there and watch. But other than that, leave me be. Whoa, what's a hole? I'm trying to pitch it up in here. Up here, baby. Hey bro, you're getting your juices in my eyeball. Please, chill. Chill. Sir, this is not a dance competition. This is not a dance competition. Seriously, that dog started walking up on me. I was not. Dude. Not a bad one. Okay. Update, look. Gotta be slow, will you? Yeah, good puppers. Yeah, it's a good puppers. Yeah, okay, he a good dog. I like you now. What? You don't understand, do you? Hey, bro, chill. It's not what it's for. It's not a chew toy. I wonder if it's a duck dog. Got a Kimbo necklace on. It's a possibility. Come on, boo. What are you doing, bro? That's not cool, man. It's not that serious. It's always hard when dogs eat grass. It means they're nauseated. Is that true? Somebody let me know in the comments, please. Be greatly appreciated, brother. Look, man. Look, dog. It's not that serious. Please, let me be. I don't want to have to pat you on the booty. Bro, go home, please. No. No. Sir, you're not wanted here. You seem cool and all, but this is serious matters. That's what I just need to do is get some raw Chinese food. You know what I'm saying? Oh, everyone, come on, take it. You got it? I don't think so. Dog, get out the freaking water. What is your deal? Your owners need to come get you, bro. Like the brother. Oh, what was that? Oh, come on, take it. How you gonna hit it and not take it, bro? Like, that's offensive. There's something over there. And if this mutt would stay out of the water, I may could figure it out. Brother. Take a chill pill, brother. Stay. Negative. You're gonna have to take a Xanax for a minute, brother. There you go, just watch. Stay hypnotized. Oh, brother, that somehow was your fault. I don't know how quite yet, but give me time. Let me think about it. Yeah, there you go. Get a stick out the water. Brother, chill. No. And the ducks. Bro, just let me fish, please. I asked nicely. Oh, what is that? What is that? Am I still rolling? Oh my God, I'm still rolling. That's a catfish. Get up here, baby. Hey, go on, man. Go. Hey, go. Bro. Brother. Go on. God. Cletus? I don't know your name, but it's Cletus right now. Cletus, meet Beavis. Yeah, what you gonna do now, Brett? Ew! Okay. With that being said, me and my wife started going to a new church. Well, it's not new to her, but it's new to me. Her mom goes to this church. I'm gonna get a new bait. Okay, I got a new bait on. But like I was saying, I've been going there for a few months now. And my phone dinged the other day. Y'all know me, I'm kind of quiet in person. Not really an outspoken person, just kind of just vibe. Not against people, but just vibe. Well, anyway, one of the preachers there, his son, reached out to me the other day, and I knew he was a big fisherman. I don't know if he knew I was, but he texted me the other day and said that he, just invite me to go fishing with him, man. I was like, man, that means a lot. I was at work this weekend, but yeah, so apparently he has a YouTube channel. I didn't know that. I touched base with him today on it, and I'm gonna link it if I can up here, and it's gonna be in the description, so y'all go check that out. Oh, come on. Oh, I think that was a brim. If y'all remember from the other video, I caught most of them fish along this bank. Oh, God, he got it right now. I don't know if he's like playing with it or if that's like a limb. Get back. Oh, hey, he knows commands. Sir. And now the ducks are gonna go rotting away. Where's my hook one? Not intentionally, ain't Pat, if you're watching. That's the last thing I want to do is do surgery today. Bro, it's not that serious. Calm down. Y'all, I knew there was big catfish in here. I told y'all that the other day. We had a whole cookout the other day, but I was not expecting to catch one. I didn't get a single catfish the other day when I was in here. Brother. Casting pro. You ever caught a fish around a duck? Me neither. And something tells me today is not the day. Brother, can you get out the water? You're worse than my son, man. Try back this way. Brother! Hey, halt, heel. He don't care. Go ahead. Brother. Guys, I can't win. What? Dude. I fooled you. There you go. This is kind of getting ridiculous. Dude was just chewing on my line. Look, stop! Please, bro. It's not even funny. Dude, quit. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go on the boat where you can't get me. Maybe. No, I'm not. Maybe if I cast over here, it's kind of a drop off on the sides. Maybe he'll stay. Hey, you better leave them ducks alone. Them ain't mine, them ain't Pat's. Bro. Whew. Alright, y'all, I have no idea what the last thing y'all heard was. I knew my GoPro storage had been getting full. I looked down to press the button and it said SD card full. So yeah, I had to go do some deleting. I got hours of, dude, this is getting a little annoying. It was funny at first. Now it's getting a little ridiculous, bro. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna record this just in case I wipe out. Be like a funny memory. Oh, we're good. Alright, I'll put a new bait on. It's a sour apple. Zoom, baby brush off. I'm gonna walk back around this pond because I gotta start heading home. It's getting dark. I can't finish because of doofus right here. Swimming all the way over by the tree. Bite my line. So I'm gonna end the video here as I start my journey to the house. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though it ain't much. Caught a few. 30 minutes. That may have been an hour. Let me look. It's been about an hour. Started at 6:30. It's 7:30. Didn't catch nothing at the berry pond. Oh, I caught one. Got one at the berry pond. Caught what, 3 I think here. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But for old doofus behind me and the gnats. That fish still dark. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all made it to the end. Like I said, here's Jarrett's channel up here or on the screen somewhere. Y'all click on it. Subscribe to me, subscribe to him. Hopefully we'll make a video fishing together one day soon. So anyway, y'all keep reeling. See y'all in the next one.